Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a controversial interview with former Google CEO Eric Schmidt that was mysteriously removed from YouTube just days after it was posted. Why? We don't know, but Schmidt's predictions about AI's future are mind-blowing. From AI replacing human programmers to the global power struggle between the US and China, these 10 points will leave you questioning everything. Stick around to hear the most shocking prediction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. 1. AI will have a bigger impact than social media. Schmidt believes that when AI is fully scaled, its impact on the world will dwarf the massive effects that social media has had. He predicts that in the next few years, AI will change everything, from how we work to how we live. This alone could be why this video was taken down. 2. Context. Windows mimic human memory. AI is evolving to use context windows similar to human short-term memory. These windows allow AI to process huge amounts of data, like reading 20 books and summarizing them. Schmidt was shocked by how long these windows can get, mirroring how our brains work. 3. AI will learn like humans, and then outdo us. Schmidt points out that people are now building AI agents that can learn, test, and refine their knowledge just like humans. This ability to iterate will make AI agents incredibly powerful, potentially surpassing human intelligence. Is this the future we're ready for? 4. The rise of AI programmers. Imagine having your own personal AI coder. Schmidt predicts that soon, anyone will be able to command AI to build applications or platforms with a simple request. No more relying on human programmers. AI will make coding obsolete. 5. The dark side. AI can copy and compete with TikTok in seconds. Here's where it gets controversial. Schmidt raised a scenario where AI could replicate TikTok if it were banned, stealing users, music, everything, and launching a new platform in seconds. While this isn't fully possible yet, it shows the disruptive power of AI, and perhaps why this interview was taken down. 6. The energy crisis AI will create. Schmidt warns that AI's future could spark an energy crisis. He estimates it could take up to $300 billion to power the AI industry, and even suggests that the US might need Canada's energy resources to keep AI running. This is a game changer. 7. AI will revolutionize warfare. Schmidt envisions AI-powered drones, replacing traditional military equipment like tanks and artillery. These drones will be cheaper, faster, and deadlier, transforming the nature of warfare. Is this the kind of future we want? 8. The black box of AI knowledge. As AI models become more advanced, Schmidt warns that we may no longer fully understand how they work. These systems might solve problems we can't even comprehend, forcing us to trust their decisions blindly. Could this loss of control be why this interview was removed? 9. AI will lead to a global power struggle. The competition for AI dominance won't just be among companies, it will be a geopolitical race. Schmidt predicts that the US and China will battle for knowledge supremacy, with India playing a crucial swing role in the AI race. 10. The future of work. AI will double programmer productivity. Schmidt believes that AI will revolutionize programming itself. Software development teams could become twice as productive, and AI could soon handle complex coding tasks, potentially making human programmers obsolete. These 10 predictions by Eric Schmidt were so bold and controversial, it's no wonder the interview was taken down. But now that you've heard them, what do you think? Are we ready for this future? Or is AI advancing too fast for comfort? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for more exclusive insights into AI and tech. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution and get resources that can help you navigate this new landscape, click the link in the description. Trust me, you don't want to miss out.